Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. To how to see Node.js install in your PC. So first Google search, we write Node.js and programs Node.js. That's get Node.js install. That click download this software. So download software my PC. This time install it. Next click Node.js software open. Next click or I accept. Next click, and that's software install. Automatic tick mark. Next install software. Wait just 2 or 5 minutes. Install this software. Loading software, installing. Wait 3 or 5 minutes. And that's okay, finished this software. We try to see the software is finished. So click all apps your computer and see Node.js PowerShell open. So enter button click. Okay, cross button. So we see Node.js in programming. So Node.js Node.js finished installing. Okay, thank you. Subscribe this channel. Assalamu alaikum.